Hello friends, a very happy Pongal to everybody. So in today's video we are going to harvest sugarcane from our garden. So we are going to harvest sugarcane for Pongal. So actually sugarcane is growing really very well, and not only that I have also planted some new set of sugarcane for the next Pongal and the upcoming Pongal. So sugarcanes are growing really very easily. So you can also try growing sugarcane in your home. So now let's harvest sugarcane. For New Year we harvested already one sugarcane. Now we are going to harvest the other. So with phone in one hand and to harvest sugarcane it's a little bit difficult. I will cut it and show you. So now we have harvested the sugar cane. So it's really big in size, and it's really very organic also. So I'm really very happy about it. So you can also see how fresh the sugar cane is. So later we will harvest onion from our garden also. So this is the sugarcane harvest. Thanks friends. Bye. Hello friends, a very good morning to everybody. We have already harvested sugarcane in our garden, but we have again planned to harvest two more sugarcane. So come, let's harvest it. Root part we don't need. So this is the first sugarcane. So second sugarcane we shall harvest now. So now we have harvested two sugarcane from our garden. So let's see whether no that other sugarcane is small in size. So we shall